Crawl4AI. An independent review, Crawl4AI is the most starred open-source web crawler on GitHub, with over 73,000 stars and a very active community. But does it hold up to the hype? Let's take an honest look. At its core, Crawl4AI turns any web page into clean, structured text that artificial intelligence models can understand. That means headings, tables, code blocks, and citations all come out organized and ready for your data pipeline. No signups, no paid plans for the basic features. The project is built in Python by a developer known as Uncle Code. It uses a browser automation tool called Playwright to render complex web pages, then applies smart extraction to produce clean text that large language models can actually work with. Here's what makes it stand out. First, the asynchronous browser pool. Crawl4AI does not crawl one page at a time. It manages a pool of browser instances and handles multiple pages at once, with smart caching to avoid downloading the same thing twice. Second, the command line tool. You can crawl an entire documentation site in one command. Deep crawl with different exploration strategies, set page limits, and even ask the tool to answer questions about the content it finds. Third, full control over everything. Sessions, proxies, cookies, custom scripts, and hooks give you all the tools you need for serious production scraping. This is not just a toy. The Python interface is surprisingly clean. 5 lines of code gets you from start to extracted text. That simplicity is a big part of why developers love it. Now, the downsides. It requires Playwright and a full web browser, which is a heavy dependency. Installation can be bumpy on some systems. There are over 100 open issues on GitHub, which is expected for a project this popular, but still worth noting. The cloud version is in closed testing, which means the free self-hosted path is your main option today. And the advanced features like deep crawling and intelligent extraction have a learning curve. Security has been a focus recently. Version 8.7 patched critical vulnerabilities in the server component. The 9.0 release made the server secure by default with authentication turned on out of the box. The final word? If you need to feed web content to artificial intelligence systems, Crawl4AI is the best open-source option available today. It is free, fast, and battle-tested by tens of thousands of developers. The trade-off is a heavier setup than simple web scrapers, but the output quality is worth it. Thanks for watching. Links are in the description.